mix it up. And this is like filling. There's lots of filling. And peppermint. Go ahead, then. Pour the cookie mix. And we're gonna do these two probably like at the end. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna set that aside for now. Every last drop, man. Well, every last beer does in a row. Spill it in the last drop. Every last drop. Every last does that. Every last does. Every last does that. Silly, you're not supposed to touch it, you silly. Okay, let me back it up. So, water bottle. Ooh, that was cool. Let's mix it a little. What? Let me do the bottle then. Dump. And I'm doing the egg. Done. I'm doing the egg. Let's mix. Yeah. The ball. This is a anyways. Whoops. Mix all the ingredients. This is how it looks like. Chunk egg down. Mix everything. Then need more butter or some. Every last drop. Okay, it's starting to look like cookies or something. Look like a spoon. Why do I keep on dropping stuff? Yeah, oh yeah, yolk egg and stuff all mixed. Doesn't it look like real chocolate then? Yeah. It looks like chocolate. Yeah, it looks like real chocolate. Yeah. Look. It's like a little powder. That's all. Now we're done mixing. We're gonna roll it up into balls. And then let's get started. Right now. Yeah. I don't think it should be that much. Yeah. I think that would do. No, it's going to be yucky. Okay. Like the color. This one. Sorry if I hit you. It's so yucky. Come on, Dory. Now I'm not done with it anymore. Then come on, put water with baby balls. No, you don't have to worry. You can wash your hands anyways. Oh. Wait, go. That's not even a baby ball. No, that's not a baby ball at all. We can get some of these. Get much? Oh yeah, okay. You have to not a snake. A little baby ball. You silly. I want to make a nice little ball for me. Especially for me. I'm going to make one that I'm going to be eating. I'll put in, I think that's enough oil right there. Yeah, I just want to make a special little one for me. Put it right there. Oil. It already starting to smell like a purple milk cookie. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. Not close to each other. I'm going to make a big old bowl. Big old brush. Wow. That should be really not close together. Maybe I should like do in lines. Get that help. So let's do it like quite. This is how my mom bakes. You get yeah. Need to get the you do everything. I don't know. You can always. It's like black dough. Let me get this off my spoon. Because we need every last chocolate bit. Yeah. It can get all off your spoon. Everyone chocolate bit. well, not every last chocolate bit, which is we can make most balls. Duh. This looks like chocolate. It looks like pure chocolate. This is a little bit God wet. My hands. My hands. Like, do you want your hands inside? Our hands look like gold. That's funny. Your hands. But it's so yummy. Now that we're done putting all of the dough into bowls, we're gonna dip them into these little peppermints in the top. Yeah, and let's get started. Okay. I'll be all cold. That's enough for this one. I want to do my bagel there. It should be as yummy. Let's put one on top. Yeah, that looks a little better. Ah! I think that looks a little bit better. So yummy. So now, these are real. This one is really good to have a lot. Okay. This bill, let me stick them in now. Yeah, stick them in now. One of these. So which one are you eating? Did you make your special big one for you to eat, Glenn? Or yeah, I'm gonna eat this one. But it has more sprinkles? That doesn't make any sense. Got it yummy. Put it back. The sprinkles are like falling off the trolley. It smells so good. Barely want myself one of these. Now that we put all of the peppermints on cookies, we're gonna draw them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. 375. Now that the cookies have baked, we're gonna frost them. And we're gonna show you how. So first, you grab one little cookie, turn it on the bottom, put lots of nice frosting on. Lots of it. It's so hard right here. Put lots of this frosting. So nice and I can't do it properly. Let's put it all on the cookie. Beautiful. Feel it together. Smush it. Look at that. Above the cookie. I got icing on my fingers. Whoa, video. I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna do these two little cookies. And I probably just need a little swirl. Is this perfect? It looks like a perfect little cookie. Now squish it on the bottom. Look at that! I'm good at this. So good. Now, all of this one. Now, boop. And that's kind of correct. Oh, maybe I need a little more. I think that's enough. And then, boom. There these perfect cookies. Now I got two more left. Put all this frosting on. Put the last bit of frosting on now. The last bit. Last bit of frosting. Good. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Okay, make sure this is twisted, okay?
No, only this.
No.
Oh, so I know. This looks like a perfect frosting cookie.
Yeah.
Look at all these. Now I'm going to eat one. Cookie time. This is how our peppermint cookies look like? Huh? Take a bite. Chocolate. Take a bite. Take a bite. I've been waiting to do this for ages. How to make perfect cookies now? Why? Yeah. We're gonna eat the rest of our cookies now.